नमस्ते कलकत्ता। आई डोंट नो बंगाली में क्या बोलना है। नमस्कार कलकत्ता। थैंक यू सो मच। आई थिंक एनर्जी थोड़ा हाल में कम है, थोड़ा आप मोबाइल बाजू में रख दीजिए, थोड़ा मोबाइल बाजू में रखिए। अभी ये टाइटल पढ़ी है, सर ने तो मेरे को इंट्रोड्यूस किया दैट मार्केटिंग वर्सेस क्या करना है। मार्केटिंग नहीं करूंगा मैं। See, the whole idea for dynamic dimension of industry today is only marketing, but I want to put it differently. Driving demand for balancing supply. Supply you have no control, or you are controlling now. I know that now whatever is happening in the industry, you are tweaking it. Tweaking ज़्यादा दिन नहीं चलेगा. वजन बढ़ाओ, वजन घटाओ, नहीं तो वजन कम बेचना है, ज़्यादा बेचना है, वो डिबेट में चलने से आपका मार्केटिंग नहीं बनेगा। मार्केटिंग तब बनेगा तब आप बोलना है भैया आलू पूरी, मतलब क्या है? इन इंडिया ओनली वी आर ईटिंग कार्ब विद कार्ब। इन इंडिया ओनली, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व, कार्ब विद कार्ब, बट इन ऑल अदर कंट्रीज कार्ब विद प्रोटीन और प्रोटीन विद प्रोटीन। वो हमारा पहला मंत्र होना चाहिए। वी हैव टू मूव अवे फ्रॉम only carbs to protein mission for protein for life, ये जारी होना चाहिए। So ये this is the statement I think I got the attention of the audience in the hall. Let me drive you through the presentation agenda. The agenda is very simple. मैं कौन हूँ, भारत कैसा है, भारत का एनिमल हस्बेंड्री सेक्टर कैसा है, पोल्ट्री कैसा है, हमारा रोलर कोस्टर कैसा बनता है, ऊपर नीचे। इधर मदन मैती को जानता है, हमारा शालीमार मैती भी जानता है कैसे हम लोग रोलर कोस्टर राइड करता है। अरिंदम ऑल्सो नोज दैट हाउ डिफिकल्ट इज टू सेट अप एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और अ स्टार्टअप। देन कम्स द लीडर्स। लीडर कौन कौन है, उनको हम फॉलो कर सकते, कैसे करेंगे? अगर इतना प्रॉब्लम तो दिखाती है तो लीडर तो दिखाना पड़ेगा। Finally, technology to focus. Today, India is in the cusp of producing 2 nanometer chips. हम सोचते थे केवल TSMC कर सकते। इस हाल में raise the hands who knows TSMC. Please raise your hands who knows the company TSMC. देखो ये 1-2 मिल रहे मेरे को। ताइवान सेमीकंडक्टर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी, छोटा सा कंट्री है, आधा वेस्ट बंगाल होगा, ruling the world. Why? They decided to produce for the world the chips of 2 nanometers, which are used in your Samsung, your iPhone, etc. So India is now catching up with that trend. We are the nation of the technology today. Finally, जो है वो हासिल करेगा। इधर मेरा दोस्त लोग पुंजा जी और नलापा बैठा है, जोश में काम करता है वो लोग। पैशन टेक्स यू प्लेसेस। सो दिस इज मी रिसीविंग माय एमबीए फ्रॉम द रिचेस्ट पर्सन ऑफ इंडिया। 9.5 लाख करोड़, 10 लाख करोड़ का वर्थ है। जिन्होंने भी मेरे को हैंडशेक किया है, इंक्लूडिंग वसंत कुमार जी, उनका एनर्जी बढ़ गया आज 10 लाख करोड़ का। सो सब लोग वसंत कुमार का हैंडशेक करिए। 3 बार हैंडशेक किया हूं सुबह से, वो एनर्जी उनका हाथ में पहुंच रही है अभी 10 लाख करोड़ का। ये मैं अमेरिका में जाकर भाषण दिया था यूएसडी का इन्विटेशन में, भारत के बारे में, भारत का कितना जोश से हमारा एनिमल हस्बेंड्री सेक्टर जा रहे हैं। जो भी कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स एंड प्रोफेसर्स हियर, वी हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट आवर सेक्टर। बजाना है बैंड। हमको क्या होता है कॉलेज में, केवल ओटीसी, बेलामिल, सीपीएम ऐसा हो जाते हैं हम लोग। नहीं, आज हम बदलना है। हमारा इंडस्ट्री को ऊपर से बोलना है। जितना बड़ा है विश्व बंगला कन्वेंशन सेंटर का, ऊपर से जाके बोलना है भैया हमारा सेक्टर 20 लाख करोड़ का है एनिमल हस्बेंड्री। इफ आई कन्वर्ट दैट, $200 billion, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, 200 यूनिकॉर्न्स आर इन एनिमल हस्बेंड्री सेक्टर। पोल्ट्री इज TCS ऑफ लाइव स्टॉक। पोल्ट्री जो हमारा है टाटा कंसल्टेंसी का इक्वलेंट है। 3 लाख करोड़ का मालिक है हम लोग। लगभग 6 मिलियन लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट दे रहे हैं। ये सब हम बोलना पड़ेगा। ये मैं जाके यूरोप में भाषण दिया था फॉर 140 कंट्रीज वी हैव यूरोप। उधर भी ऐसे ही है, सब हमारा जैसा जाके बाहर बोलना पड़ेगा। वी हैव टू टॉक मोर। पीपल इन जर्मनी आर कमिंग इनटू बैंगलोर। डू यू नो व्हाई? दे वांट टू सेल पोर्क। whoever went to Berlin, be careful in any buffet. The bakery product जैसे जो दिखता है वो पोर्क है. गलती से भी मफिन करके हाथ मत लगाइए. इतना सुंदर बफे में लगाता है German people. They produce 3 times the quantity they require in their country. This was my role as a drought assessment leader, central team leader for drought assessment in Karnataka. Why I am showcasing is, as a veterinarian, I am feeling proud and lucky, blessed by Shukla sir, etc., where I have a lot of roles to play. 7 collectors were with me for 3 days. मेरे को 3 दिन का जैसे CM बन गया था मैं. 21 vehicle caravan. You can see this is Belgaum collector showing me the drought assessment. Roles are different for a veterinarian and an entrepreneur today. So this is my role. I'm a freelance speaker. You can type my name, Dr. Mahesh PS in YouTube. You can watch me in various forms. अभी मैं डिग्री नहीं ले रहा हूँ. 3 डिग्री ले लिया, डिग्री दे रहा हूँ. ये बिजनेस स्कूल बेंगलुरु में जाके डिग्री देने का काम कर रहा हूँ. ये मेरा फैमिली है. लगभग 100 एम्प्लॉइज परमानेंट, 200 एम्प्लॉइज ऑफ आउटसोर्सिंग, 300 का ग्रुप में लीड कर रहा हूं. आप सबको निमंत्रण है. 646 एकड़ इज आवर प्रॉपर्टी, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का. एंड उसका कैसे है सर? देखिए, फैसिलिटी ऐसा होना चाहिए जैसा विश्व बंगला कन्वेंशन सेंटर है. हम भारत सरकार में ऐसा ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटी बना के रखा है. दिस शुड बी बेटर देन एनी IAS academy, IPS academy. Why can't we at the forefront? I would welcome all the audience here who is watching online. Please visit Hasargata facility. So now I am shifting gear. Sir, आपने तो बोल दिया animal husbandry sector इतना अच्छा है. What is India today? What these numbers? Today India is 400 lakh crore, $4.2 trillion. Agriculture is 15%. 60 lakh crores. But where are we? We are 31% of the agriculture. That means we are almost 20 lakh crore. हम पोल्ट्री का मालिक है. इधर डेयरी का भी सुनना पड़ेगा. बड़े बड़े भाई और बड़े सिस्टर का. सिस्टर का साइज कितना है सर? 15 लाख करोड़. हमसे 5 गुना. वो कैसे एडवर्टाइजमेंट करता है? यस्टरडे आपने देखा होगा अमूल का फुल पेज थैंकिंग ऑनरेबल मोदी जी. फुल पेज. मैं आता हूं उदय और जो भी लीडर्स इधर बैठा है उनको मैं बार बार बोलता हूं कैसे आप कैंपेन करना है. इधर देखिए, पोल्ट्री इज 3 लाख करोड़. व्हाट इज अवर टारगेट नाउ? टारगेट इज $1 ट्रिलियन. भारत जो अभी $4 ट्रिलियन है, उसका 1/4 in 2047 will be contributed from animal husbandry sector. We are in a now a jet engine जैसा काम करना पड़ेगा. जोर पकड़ना पड़ेगा. Then only we will be able to balance the sector. ये देखिए, how is that our states are doing. This is Government of India data from Economic Survey. भारत सरकार का बजट है 53 लाख crores for a GDP of 400 lakh crores. Maharashtra is very very fast growing it. You can see there Maharashtra का GDP है 42 lakh crores, budget is 7 lakh crores. इधर हमारा शुक्ला सर बोलेगा महेश उत्तर प्रदेश का बजट कितना है देखो, 8 लाख करोड़. उत्तर प्रदेश लीड्स 8.5 lakh budget. I was studying about West Bengal. West Bengal 4.5 lakh crore budget. GDP is around 18 lakh crore. West Bengal. Similarly, catch up with Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is becoming like a Detroit of America. Why I am telling all this? This is where our Shalimar, Madan Mehti, everybody has to focus. These are the states which are functioning heavily. Purchasing power is increasing. Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh. ये देखिए सर, पैसा कैसा आता है, पैसा कैसा हम स्पेंड करते हैं. ये थोड़ा पढ़िए. इंडिया का जो जीडीपी आ रहा है, आई कॉल इट अ सप्लाई साइड, 51% इज फ्रॉम सर्विसेज, 24.3% इज फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री, 15.2 is from livestock. But the advantage is, see the words, whoever has done MBA will understand, private consumption. ज़्यादा बड़ी बात नहीं है. मैं जो प्रोड्यूस करता हूँ नल्लाप्पा खरीदेगा, नल्लाप्पा जो प्रोड्यूस करता है पुंजा जी खरीदेगा. इसलिए भारत प्रोटेक्टेड है. जो भी होने दीजिए. प्राइवेट कंजम्पशन इज 61.5. वी आर नॉट डिपेंडिंग ऑन एक्सपोर्ट. एक्सपोर्ट चाहिए, बट वी आर अ वेल प्रोटेक्टेड इकोनॉमी बिकॉज आवर प्राइवेट कंजम्पशन इज 61.5. गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर इंक्लूडिंग ऑल द बजट्स ओनली 10%. लास्ट वन क्या है? ग्रास फिक्स कैपिटल विच इज सेविंग मैं सुबह बोल रहा था हमारा कल्चर ही सेविंग है, 30% जनरली वी सेव, 100 रुपए कमाने से 30 रुपीज माँ जी भी सेव करते थे. दिस इज व्हाट इज मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट इज 30%. नाउ कम्स, वी हैव टू शो दिस स्लाइड टू एवरीबॉडी because agriculture is this year is growing only 3.1% or 4% max. 6.1% is our livestock growth on an average. Poultry may be around 10%. See the fisheries which is going fantastically well. Now this is the document straight print from economic survey. See where is the pedestal of animal husbandry. ये सब सबको बताइए भैया, अच्छे दिन आ गया, हमारा दिन भी आ गया. देखो भैया, animal husbandry is at the pedestal of highest, whichever is the street. The focus is, जैसे सर ने बता रहा था, 800 crore investment. Watch it there. Supporting entrepreneurship for setting up veterinary colleges like National Livestock Mission. This is the budget announcement. उधर से मैं शिफ्ट हो रहा हूं. ये सैटेलाइट क्यों पढ़ना है सर? देखिए, दिस इज ए लाइट रडार मैप. सैटेलाइट जो नाइट में लेता है, उसमें क्या दिख रहा है? ऊपर का दिल्ली है, सेंटर वाला मुंबई है, नीचे वाला पूना है. 10 साल के बाद वो येलो पार्ट इज एक्सपेंडिंग सो मच. दैट इज योर अपॉर्चुनिटी. दैट इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अ प्रोटीन सेक्टर, पोल्ट्री, वेदर इट इज दूध, मिल्क, अंडा. Cities are growing. 70% of our consumption of chicken is happening in 7 or 8 cities. Please focus, startups, demand drive करो. ये कलकत्ता आपका देखिए, 10 साल का पहले कैसा था, अभी कैसा है. So these are the areas you need to focus. Now I am coming into people who are doing tech driven. Bangalore has become a hub of Shanghai, hub of San Francisco. Those of you who have not studied, please study GCC, Global Capability Centers. मतलब क्या है? Google company can set up a place in Bangalore. It is like you can get salaries in dollars. It is country inside the country. So these are happening in Bangalore. And see the Gen AI startups. Today in this hall, everybody uses ChatGPT. I was searching in the morning when I came for a walk here, what is the capacity of this hall? Immediately I was with a speaker to ChatGPT, I asked, what is the capacity? Immediately it said 3,500 seats. So that means technology is so very much regenerative. You have got large language models built in India. This is what we should focus. So now comes for your thought. I'm taking a pause. Think about poultry companies. 25,000 crore, 15,000 crore, 10,000 crore. But where are our advertisements? And see the numbers of the dairy. They're not very, very big when you come to private corporations, private companies. Corporate world is very huge. Amul is 90,000 crores. Karnataka Milk Federation, which is number 2, which is 30,000 crores. Hudson Agro. I call always, he is the Nestle of India. How many of you know the Nestle name? Henry Nestle in 1888 started in a cycle in Switzerland. Today is operating in 160 countries with $152 billion. साइकिल में शुरुआत किया था. नल्लापा भी साइकिल में शुरुआत किया था. ये आदमी चंद्रमोगन is from Chennai. He started in cycle. Today is doing a turnover of 8,650 crores. How is their advertisement? Go to any airport, you will find Arun Ice Cream, Ibaco, etc., etc., etc. My request to the poultry companies is please compete with dairy sector. Please go out, drive the demand. Heritage everybody knows, Parag Dairy, Bhagyalakshmi Dairy Farm, 3,500 cows, oh my God, one person managing 3,500 cows, precision farming. The milk is sold at 200 rupees a litre to the luminaries of Mumbai. When they can do it, why can't we drive the demand? This is our numbers, courtesy to Harsha Kumar Shetty. See the numbers here. Those of you want, take a picture. See, total layer population in the country as of now is around 52 crores, that is 520 millions. The problem is not the production, problem is the caution. The caution is 5 rupees to 8 rupees. Today cost of production is 520, 530. How would I survive if it goes below 5? But now this year the prices were very good, people are enjoying, but taking an average of 10 years, it will be very difficult. See the numbers of the broiler. Every day, 1.5 crore broilers are placed. 30 crore eggs are produced. The issue is how to tweak the supply we know, but how to tweak the demand. How do we really predict the demand? Using technology, using AI. How can you work out? The problem is, again, cautioning. I was discussing with Vasant Kumar ji. Vasant Kumar ji said, sir, 7 months we have lost money. 3 months we are pumping up, but 3 months cannot match to 7 months. But go underline the real meaning of the numbers, see that predictable demand is driven. Coming to the total population, breeders, 5.5 crore breeders. Can we really have such huge population, or do we require, do we demand it? Or, okay sir, 5.5 crore is required, how do I manage the supply chain? So these are the numbers we should remember. Now comes the 70% of our sector. 70% of our sector, what is that? Feed. So almost 60 million metric tons is the total feed produced in India. 40 million metric tons is poultry requirement. Poultry requirement is 40 million metric tons. Where are we prepared for the growth? If you want to grow 10%, 5%, 6%, have you factored corn? Corn productivity in US is 12 tons per hectare. In India, 4 tons per hectare. So how do we match? Even though the irrigation can produce 10 tons per hectare, please prepare your back-end verticals. That is the need of the hour. See the projections. You will get a shock. विकसित भारत होना है तो maize का requirement कितना चाहिए देखिए 144 million metric tons. Where are we now? 40. That means almost 4 times we need to grow in maize. Soya, we require 72. How do we, 26. Where are we right now? Around 7.5. Almost 4 times here. Have you thought over this? Please think about your kitchen before inviting the guests. We are inviting so many guests without preparing a kitchen. Prepare a kitchen for your requirement. Now comes the game of driving demand. How do I do it? What is consumer asking? Consumer wants transparency. Morning ACS sir was telling, when I put up my egg into my plate, I question, where is the egg coming from? Is Dinesh supplying egg? Dinesh, जो media gentleman is sitting in the front, he will want, sir, transparency कैसा है? Sir ने FSS से represent कर रहा है. FSS is proactive. Tomorrow the rule will come. Whatever we eat, drink, we should be having a proactive method. Sir, government क्या कर रहा है? गवर्नमेंट देखिए ना क्या कर दिया, नेशनल डिजिटल लाइफ स्टॉक मिशन. भैया जागरूक रहो, सारा फार्म्स इसमें आ जाएगा एनडीएलएम में. अभी पूरा गाय, देश का गाय जितना ही 30 करोड़ गाय है पूरा रजिस्टर हो गया. जब गाय हो गए तो मुर्गी होना मुश्किल नहीं है. एंड वी हैव भारत पशुधन ऐप. टेक्नोलॉजी कैन ड्राइव एवरीबॉडी. इंडिया इज द ओनली कंट्री वेयर वी हैव 1.4 बिलियन आधार्स. दैट इज द बेस. So tomorrow Aadhaar driven registration हो गया तो क्या करेंगे आप लोग? करना पड़ेगा. Be transparent, come open. Tell how many parents you have, tell how many broilers you have, tell how many layers you have for a mutual exchange. Don't be siloed. Don't be siloed. In America, shifting from one county to other county, you require a transit permit. But we don't know our own numbers. Unless you know your numbers perfectly, you will not be able to help each other. Please be open, please be transparent. You can see there, blockchain technology, our Nandus, Naren and Naveen has implemented in Bangalore. They have now EBITDA positive. So that means please gear up for that. But what are the challenges for you? You require common standards. There cannot be standards one for West Bengal. There cannot be standard one for Karnataka, etc. पूरी इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी बोलता है. नो चिंता मत करो, इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी तो अभी आ रहा है. What is that you need to adapt? This slide is very important. Start shifting to precision farming. I have got one gentleman in Bangalore who has developed a AI camera which floats on your farm, picks up a picture, gives you a body weight. So can you not think, young gentlemen sitting in this hall, in our universities, please do discovery of predictable model for disease, predictable model for eye color, body weight, egg color, eggshell thickness. So you can do all this in the coming year. So now, strategic outcome. How can you do? If you have a constraint, go for diversification and hedging, inventory management. You can go for pricing model, cluster integration, etc. So now this is another interesting slide, courtesy Dr. Narahari. You can see here, this is the status today. 90% of the broilers, we are comfortably doing stable dominance because consumer wants fresh meat. But that is changing. 10% of the broilers are going into hygiene because consumer wants hygiene, QSR, online startups, etc. Egg grading is not to be seen. Please start grading your eggs. Consumer will definitely expect. That's why I put it as gradual growth is a driver. Liquid eggs तो दूध की बात है, दूर की बात है. मेरा ड्रीम है जैसे शैम्पू का सैशे है ऐसा हम पॉकेट में अंडा को पकड़ के जाना. This is for the challenge for the Shalimar, the mighty who is sitting here. Another challenge is, can you dream of 2 eggs for 10 rupees? Very quality eggs, neatly packed like a Parle G. Yesterday I was doing a research. What is the turnover of Parle G versus Britannia? Any guess? Parle G with one single brand of 5 rupees biscuit does 20,000 crore business. 20,000 crore. Britannia with all that so many does around 20,000 crore. Catch it to go to the rural market, especially in West Bengal, Northeast, etc. If a consumer starts buying 2 eggs in a pocket, and then in Poultry India, there is a statement given, chicken for kitchen, chicken for kitchen. हर घर में, हर गली गली में chicken देखना तो kitchen for chicken, etc. So you can go for liquid eggs, egg powder, etc. So this is the digital system we have to implement. Today you are having smartphones in your hand. Can you not scan an egg, tell the quality? Can you not scan a meat, tell the age of the meat? So these are the things which gives you confidence to the consumer. Suppose a chicken is opened, I scan it, I tell that chicken is 3 days old. Chicken color is not matching the general parameters. So that is how the consumer will come to more to you. That is what is required to be done. Last, image building. Image building is neglected. दूध वाले तो बहुत image building कर रहे हैं. I represent dairy, I represent poultry, I represent piggery, etc. Even though my 30 years was in poultry, now as a head of Center of Excellence for Animal Husbandry, I am understanding dairy also. For your surprise, one state, Punjab, has revolutionized. आज भी उधर IDF चल रहा है. Progressive Dairy Farmers Association, Daljit Singh, one gentleman has transformed Punjab. Today people from America and Canada are visiting Punjab because the HF cow there is giving 84 liters of milk. 84 liters of milk. And the silage turnover is 3,000 crores. Silage. ये सब हमको पोल्ट्री वालों को शॉक होता है, सर इतना बड़ा हो गया क्या? सच्ची में हो गया. Average production is 22 liters. 22 liters. So coming back, my message to all the association, including Methi ji, Uday ji, Gulati ji, etc., etc., etc. One sector, one voice. This should be your mantra. Consistent ad on the national dailies. Every दिन हर एक Saturday, Sunday, full page अंडा का picture, अंडा का chicken का picture डाल दो, कुछ भी मत बताओ. Mission Protein for Life बताओ. Courtesy West Bengal Poultry Association, 1 week, next week, PFI, etc., etc. All should join for the national campaign. Vice Chancellor conclaves are happening. We should drive the kids to get attracted into our smart animal agriculture. People want to practice, no problem. Practice sector is hardly $4 billion. $4 billion money, around 40,000 crore. But why can't you become so attracted for the 20 lakh crores? And what is the opinion makers? Housewife, kids and medical fraternity. जो भी आप बुखार लगते हो, डॉक्टर बोलता है अंडा मत खाओ, चिकन मत खाओ. डॉक्टर को सिखाओ. जैसे अभी एसीएस सर ने बताया, सुबह 2 अंडा रेगुलरली खा के. अभी मेरा स्टेटमेंट दिखाता हूं, मैं क्या कर रहा हूं. ये आपका सोचने की बात है. मैं अभी बता रहा था उदय को, कैन वी नॉट हायर अमिताभ बच्चन फॉर 8 crore or 10 crore or 20 crore, whatever. If you hire him to say दवा मत खाओ, अंडा खाओ, क्या हो जाएगा इंडस्ट्री का? सोचो इंडस्ट्री क्या हो. ये मैं हर एक फोरम में रखा बोला हूं. कैन यू नॉट हैव अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर लाइक द बिग बी फॉर आवर पोल्ट्री सेक्टर? मेरा कंजम्पशन ये है, सुबह 2 अंडा शाम को 2 अंडा, इसलिए इतना एनर्जी है। फिर भी मेरे को कितना मिल रहा है? 50% प्रोटीन। सुबह 2 अंडा शाम को 2 अंडा, हफ्ते में 3 बार मुर्गी, फिर भी मिलेगा 50% प्रोटीन। सो हाउ डू आई गेस माई प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट? हाइट इन सेंटीमीटर -100. For example, Punjaji is now around 190 centimeter. -100 is 90 grams of protein he should consume every day. But हम लोग क्या कर दिया? पूरा नॉर्थ इंडिया wheat, साउथ इंडिया rice. We become a diabetes capital of the world, carbohydrate centric. But ये सब हम जागना है, जगाना है. Now I am showing you the leaders. Where is Abhay Anjura and Vivek has reached? Earlier they were only online. Now you see, they are also coming into omni-channel. 64 shops across the country they are going. Second, my friend Sean, fresh to home, going into 2 cities, 2 countries, 140 cities. So this is what is required for all of us to emulate. See, now they are telling 30 million orders. I'm just giving you 2 case study for you to understand. They were nothing in 2015. Now they are claiming they are almost getting 80,000+ orders per second. So this is what the achievement of our own youth startups which are happening in India. These are the guys, Abhay Anjura and Vivek. When they came to my room in 2015, their orders per month was only 1.5 per month. Today 3 million orders per month. Same way, Sean is game engineer. And my good friend Naren. Why I am showing this car? मुर्गी में आने से कार जरूर मिलेगा. जो भी watch कर रहे हैं, I think I will tell every student has to be shown this picture. Porsche or Benz or anything. The reason is, you know, all that depreciation, not that they are crazy to buy cars. You will get an IT depreciation. Please understand that also. Not that they are showcasing their wealth. And our poultry people are very, very conservative. In chai bhi nahi pilayega. But this is the attraction we should sell. Zap Fresh, Captain Fresh. Egos. A company set up by IIT guys, Abhinav, Negi, Abhishek Negi. 4 people invested very small, started 20,000 labours in Bihar, IIT Kharagpur. 396 crore funding. 396 crore funding. जो भी यूथ वॉच कर रहे हैं, पैसा बहुत है भैया. आइडिया चाहिए. You have to put up an idea to make into विकसित भारत. 2047 में हम इंजन पूरा लगा के बनना है तो डबल इंजन जेट जैसा आप काम करना है. ये आदमी देखिए, differently abled, set up a company called Happy Hen, funding 5 crores. He'll never move out of his Erode or Tamil Nadu. Happy Hens, selling his eggs at 25 rupees. These are the 2 guys, looking very simple. Shashi Kumar, left side, 20 years he worked in US for Wipro. Right side, Kishore Indukuri, 20 years worked with Intel. They have now set up with an investment of 300 crore funding in dairy sector. Their milk is sold at 80 rupees a litre. Operating in only 2 cities, turnover is for 450 crores. 450 crores. Investing only in 2 cities. This is the podcast we run from our academy. Please watch it to understand more heroes are available. Last technology to focus. Whoever is in your children IT, please adapt all this for poultry. Blockchain, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, metaverse, drones. This should be your mantra for the future. Passion takes you places. Have passion. I met Pulela Gopichand who trained Sena Nehwal and Sindhu. Be humble like this. Our Madam Sudha Murthy waiting for Terminal 3 for a taxi. She can fly in a jet. So a cloth bag, a simplicity, and she was waiting for a taxi. I took an opportunity to converse and took a picture. This is a precious moment of my life. Even I had a very great honor of being invited with 700 directors of central government with Honorable Prime Minister there. You can closely watch me when I'll share this entire presentation in LinkedIn and to everybody here. You can have it. So this is my mother contributing to the nature. I committed that I should plant 1 lakh trees in my life. 25,000 trees are planted in our Esraghatta campus. I want you all to commit for at least 1 year, 100 trees you should plant it. And we are now maintaining a trash-free zone. Public road is being maintained. Kindly adopt public road. हम अंदर कितना अच्छा रखते हैं, बाहर भी उतना अच्छा रहना जरूरी है. So you can see here, 8 o'clock I sent the team, trash is picked up, clean roads are maintained. It's a public road. This is my beautiful Hesarghatta Lake. I would invite all of you to come to Hesarghatta. 15 kilometers of catchment area for water. Greater Hesarghatta grasslands of 5,000 acres. This is my LinkedIn page. This is our entire community of Hesarghatta. We started very, very small. Now you see, the community has grown so big. They were all shouting, Jai Hind there. That's why it was a recent picture of January 26. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I would want you to become that second, the fish which is flying. Thank you very much.